think my response in those moments is like, well, are the tentacles of your government that are responsible for economic development actually talking to the Ministry of Health? Are there actual conversations that are a bit more holistic? Because I also think the challenge that governments often get into is, well, our division is the procurement division. We're going to buy this. We're going to do this. We're going to centralize it. And the impacts of those decisions are actually going to impact the Ministry of Health or the hospitals or, the long-term care facilities or what have you. And so I think this is now an opportunity to truly be more multidisciplinary. In fact, our future prosperity is reliant on it. And it can truly be as simple as hopping on a call, getting multiple deputy tables together. And it's funny because I think sometimes like our job at CCI is to also connect the dots. As your podcast is connecting these dots, I feel like we do that within government. We're like, hey, have you talked to this deputy? Have you talked to this, ADM? Have you talked to this person working on this? And it's amazing the outputs that come from those conversations. Now, obviously, that's a starting point, and that's not the answer to everything. But we definitely need to think about it from a different perspective, and we definitely need to incentivize different behaviors. The thought that you wanted to go with that local option, like as a former civil servant, like you should have been in a place of support, from leadership.